Hey guys, I'm the 50s kid. So I've been having trouble getting the X5 to pass smog, and I just did a vacuum test on it, or a smoke test I should say. Found some vacuum leaks on the back of the intake manifold, so I just pulled the intake manifold off. Let me show you what I found. First off, if anybody wants to know the quick way to do an intake manifold on this engine, this is the quick way. You can just kind of disconnect this cable from the alternator and lift up the whole fuel rail and everything. Again, I cap off the fuel rail with one of these clamps, unplug the coils. You can just lift everything up, and look at that, it's just kind of holding itself on that right there. If you have a 7 series or a 5 series, you can just bungee it off to the side, but the thing kind of lifts up like a book, then you can get the intake manifold out of there. Super quick way to do it without having to take anything off the front right here. So I was seeing smoke coming out from the back corner right here. I at first thought it had something to do with this line and with the oil separator here, but in fact it does not. So I thought the smoke was coming from the intake manifold gasket in the back corner here, but in fact it was not. It was the diaphragm on the oil separator. See that? Nice and torn right there, and so the smoke was leaking past that out of this port right here, coming right out the back, and there you go. So there was somebody who commented on my intake manifold video that I was going to be sorry if I didn't change that diaphragm when I had the chance. I'm sorry, I forget your name, but you were correct, sir. I am very sorry that I did not change that diaphragm when I had the chance. I didn't want to stop and order yet more parts and have to wait even longer, but now I'm going to have to do that anyway, so I might as well just have done it then, and I wouldn't have had to do this all again. So don't make my mistake if you're doing this job. Make sure that you replace the diaphragm as well while you're in there. Anyway, I'm the 50s kid. Thanks a lot for watching.